it is time to unbox the Apple Watch Series 4 GPS. This time I did not go with LTE because I found myself rarely using LTE on my Apple Watch Series 3. I love this. Okay. But let's just unbox the watch. Hello guys, how are you? My name is David Franco from davidfran.co. Actually no, twitchtips.com. Check it out right below if you're looking to grow your Twitch channel based on actual experience. Right behind me. Okay, so today's video is very exciting. Okay, I'm done. You know what? I'm gonna link this right below as well on Amazon. Treat yourself. It was like $12, $16, I forget, but easily worth it. So today's a very exciting day. I don't get to unbox Apple products that often because, well, they're quite expensive. I forgot my knife. I don't feel like getting a... Oh, wait, never mind. I forgot. Apple is the best company around when it comes to packaging. Look at this. They make it so stupidly simple. I love you, Apple. I love you. Anyway, most people, I don't think it's going to be worth it. Upgraded from Series 3 to Series 4. And please excuse my voice. It's not 100% today. But I'm a tech geek. I'm a proud Apple freak. I love new tech. And honestly, the Apple Watch Series 4 still packs plenty of new tech from a software perspective, but especially a hardware perspective. The fact that I can see my heart rhythm in real time just by holding down on the brand new digital crown, you know, completely redesigned because it uses haptic feedback now, that's incredible in itself. And plus, we're going from 42 millimeters up to 44 millimeters. It doesn't sound like a big difference, but when you're talking about watches, guys, adding 2 millimeters actually adds quite the difference. So here we go. Apple Watch Series 4. What is this? That's different. What's the deal with this? Huh. Wow. Look at that. That was not like this last year. Very interesting, Apple. You unfold it and you see graphics of the Apple Watch. Dude, that is so cool. Wow. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Completely different presentation this year. Apple, you're kind of blowing my mind. Look at this. That is really cool. Not only that, but the band is in its own packaging. Correct me if I'm wrong, but isn't the band usually in the watch box? Yeah, usually. Anyway, there's the band. I went with the black sport loop. It's basically exactly... I just got an email from Apple about the iPhone XS and XS Max. Anyway, it's exactly like this band, but black. So I'm excited to use that. And yes, I will be making a separate video of myself falling because the Apple Watch Series 4 does include advanced fall detection, which is great for the elderly and obviously the non-elderly because I think everybody falls at some point in their lives and, well, their life, singular. That's definitely an important feature that you want to keep in mind. Alright. The box has a watch on the front, which I gotta say I would rather prefer just an Apple logo, but it is what it is. Opening the box for the first time. It's very light, by the way. Guys, I'm telling you, so different. Look at this. We have the watch offset to the left, wrapped in some kind of soft coating, and the documentation on the right. So let's start with the documentation. Designed by Apple in California. Look at that. You just slide it out. Only Apple, guys. Only Apple. So cool. Really, really cool packaging, guys. This is why I love unboxing Apple products. Little power adapter. And, of course, the charger, which is actually, let's just check it out. Going right back in the box. I just don't need it right now. And I don't need this right now, so that's going to go back in the box as well. The only thing I'm taking out of the box is the watch itself. Apple, you're blowing my mind right now. Look at this. Look at this presentation, guys. It's actually wrapped in this felt-like material. Very, very classy move. And it even says the size on the back. That is so cool. Apple. Respect, guys. Respect. So I guess you just push it out. Yeah, you just push it out. And there it is. The Apple Watch without the band. And wow, the back. I believe was redesigned because that looks dramatically different. Look at that. Very nice. So let me take my Apple Watch off and show you guys what it looks like. So there's a Series 3, okay? And then here's Series 4. Give that a chance to focus. Look at that. Big difference in overall design. Like, actually huge difference. Very cool. And if anything, this closely resembles the Apple invitation that we had for the recent keynote. I know it technically resembles the campus probably, but yeah, this looks like it resembles that quite closely. The back is, oh my god, the back is a work of art. All right, so let's open up the band. This box, I don't care if I rip. Rip. Sorry, my voice isn't exactly there today. I don't know if it's allergies or what. Not as fancy as the watch box, but what do you expect? It's a band. Although I will say, it's still quite the clean presentation. Look at that. Very impressive. Actually, this has an off black look, so I will be buying a pure black band. But for now, this will do. That was interesting. Huh. Just the way it lifted off the paper felt very subtle. Alright, there you go. There's the band. Very nice, very nice. Now let me connect this. So we want the marks on the band close to the bottom of the watch. Like this one. We should be good to go. There you go. Look at that all black look. Now I'm going to take it off my wrist just so I can start it up and show you guys the difference in screen size. Wow, okay, so this is interesting. The side button is more recessed than this button is. This one's more clicky. Listen. And this is the new one. Much quieter. Okay. I'm already noticing a difference in the screen. Very cool. I think the case size is not technically that much bigger. It's just the screen wraps around more. Very cool. Okay, so I'm going to get my iPhone, which I should have had to begin with. I apologize. I'll be right back. So unprepared. All right. Let me start up the Apple Watch app. There you go. Tap pair new watch. And now it's going to look for that magical graphic, which you can see right there. Put it in frame, like that. Got it. Your Apple Watch is paired. Set up as new Apple Watch. Yeah, I'm gonna do a brand new start because that's what I always do. On which wrist do you wear your Apple Watch? My left, actually. Terms and conditions. Nobody reads that crap except for the South Park episode about iTunes. Love that episode. Enter password. Yo, the clarity of this display is insane. I don't know if that's gonna translate well on camera, but damn, that looks really good. Look at that. So good. Alright, Apple Watch share settings with the iPhone for location services, Find My iPhone, Siri, and Analytics. Credit passcode, don't add passcode, I don't do that. Here we go. Heart health. Apple Watch can help you look after your heart, which is good. Low heart rate notifications, high heart rate notifications. Definitely leave that on. Emergency SOS, I'll play with that later. Install available apps, choose later. Apple Watch is syncing. Wow. You can immediately notice the screen size. Now, it's currently syncing my settings, as you can see, but it still allows me to scroll and tap things just to learn how my watch works and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. So I'm trying to do all that backwards. So, alright. I'm going to give that a few minutes to sync, and then I'll talk some more. Alright, it's been about 2 minutes. The Apple Watch is almost done. As you can see, the circle in the top left corner is almost full. We're getting there. And quick update on the iPhone XS and XS Max and XR. Many of you have been asking, David, are you buying the iPhone XS? Eventually. I'm literally in the process of buying a house right now, so I can't afford to be dropping over $1,000 on a phone. But I will be doing that hopefully by December. At some point before 2018 is up, I do want to treat myself to one big business expense, because I try to do that every year for tax reasons. So I might be buying myself a new MacBook Pro as well. But we'll see. I mean, who knows? I might end up getting both. Your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. Wow. Really, really nice vibration. Look at his new watch face. Dude. So I know it's not the most high-tech production value. I'm not doing any B-roll or something today. But damn, that is nice. And of course, you can still swipe between your watch faces. Little tip for you. Just by swiping from bezel to bezel. Or non-bezel to non-bezel, I should say. Beautiful watch faces. But alright guys, there you go. There's only so much I can do right now. But as mentioned, I promise I will... Wow. Even the icons on the app selection screen are much, much bigger. Look at that. So much larger. Not that I use that screen quite often. I mean, I don't think you're going to use a screen very often anyway. Because I don't know if you knew this, but pressing the side button shows you some shortcut apps like messages and timer and all that stuff. And apparently with watchOS 5, if you hold the watch up now, you don't have to say, hey, blah, 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 to activate her, you know, Siri. So that's really cool. The thing is, I think Apple is trying to get the technology in your life out of the way. It's not supposed to be something you think about. It's just something you use naturally, if that makes sense. So basically, you don't have to say, hey, blah, blah, blah. You just raise your wrist and say, set a timer or call mom or whatever. And I think that's really cool. I think that's really, really cool. And yes, of course, I have to mention all the health benefits you get with a smartwatch. Not just the Apple Watch. This goes for Fitbit as well. You know, fitness, watching your weights and all that stuff. So I think we're really, really getting close to the end goal here with smartwatches becoming part of our daily lives. I mean, obviously, we're not to 100% yet, but we're getting closer and closer. And from what I can see based on my research, the Series 4 is a huge, huge upgrade in regards to health. Speaking of health. Stay healthy, guys. That's important. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I mean, I did. I just love unboxing Apple products. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.